In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze panes in Smartsheet. Freezing panes, or in this case freezing columns, is really helpful when you're working with large sheets. It lets you keep important information, like names or IDs, visible on the left side while you scroll across to see other details. That way, you don't lose track of which row you're looking at as you move through your data. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in grid view, since that's where column freezing is most useful. Look at the column that you want to keep visible at all times. This is usually one of your leftmost columns, like a primary column or a key identifier, but it can be any column you prefer. Now, move your mouse to the top of that column on the column header. This is the area where you see the column name, like task name or status. Once your cursor is over that header, you have two ways to open the menu you need. You can either click on the three dots that appear on the right side of the column header, or you can right-click directly on the column header itself. Both actions will open the same column options menu, so just use whichever feels more natural to you. When the menu appears, take a moment to look through the options. You'll see things like inserting columns, renaming them, and other formatting choices. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Freeze Column. Go ahead and click on Freeze Column. As soon as you select this, Smartsheet will freeze that column in place. You'll notice that when you scroll horizontally across your sheet, the frozen column stays locked on the left side of your screen, while the rest of the columns move. This makes it much easier to compare information across many columns without losing sight of the key details. If you freeze a column and later decide you don't need it locked anymore, you can use the same steps to adjust it. Just open the column header menu again by clicking the three dots or right-clicking and look for an option like Unfreeze Column or similar, depending on your Smartsheet updates. Click that and the column will go back to scrolling normally with the rest. That's all there is to it. By using the Freeze Column option from the column header menu, you can keep your most important information visible while working through even the